You can see the red stone, hardened lava. We started climbing the volcano, Mount Batur, around 4 at night. Once we reached the top, Mount Agung was barely visible. Some light started to appear in the sky, and a little more, and a little more. Was the sun behind the clouds? No, behind Mount Rinjani on Lombok, even higher than Agung. This is the best start of my day ever, said a fellow tourist, followed by howling sounds all around when the sun appeared from behind Rinjani, like the opposite of werewolves. I became aware of the crater of Mount Batur just behind me, quite imposing, even a little scary. Steam is still coming out of it. But don't worry, the actual crater is way bigger. They call it caldera. You can see the edge of it all the way in the distance, all around. We continue our way around the crater via a very narrow path with breathtaking views all around us. We are descending into the hot crater over here. We are going with the flow of the lava. So how do you prefer your egg? Soft boiled or hard boiled? I prefer my egg volcano boiled. This is really hot steam coming from here, and we're gonna boil some eggs in the volcano. Also banana goes in there, so we have pisang goreng. Yeah. And a stone to close it off. I can't believe how hot that is. It's like putting your hand on a water cooker. It's really hot. So how many minutes did you say? 15?
Yeah. 17 minutes.
17 minutes. All right.
17 minutes.
All right. Should be done cooking.
Oh yeah.
It's still very hot.
Aduh, piris.
It's good we bring a
Yeah,
brung a stick.
Hot.
Yeah. Use the stick.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, I don't know. Egg.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You think it's good?
Mm-hmm.
The banana is good.
Good.
No, it's too hot. Let me put the phone away and we get it. This is probably the best pisang goreng I ever had.
And mountain batur.
In Mount Batur. Cooked in the volcano. Fresh pisang goreng.